Next up, we'll look at a few more of these window-only functions. We saw rank, and very similar to rank, we have row number. The main difference here is that rank allows for ties, as we discussed. You can have multiple things ranked 1 if they have the same value. Multiple things can be ranked 4, as we see here, because they have the same value. And so we end up skipping numbers, potentially. Then we have row number, which is just going to label each row within a partition, starting with 1 and going sequentially 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, counting the rows. So it doesn't care if the values have a tie or anything, it just counts the rows. So it doesn't even look at the values. I'll show you an example of that. If we just did alongside the department salary rank, I'll also do, let me just highlight an example here, like within sales, right? We have the highest ranked in sales, 160,000, second, third, and then fourth rank is a tie, 61,000, 61,000, and then that just jumps to sixth rank and seventh ranked. So if I do the same thing, except instead of rank, I will do row number, partition by department, order by salary. We set up our different windows, we order them how we want, and then we just say number them in order. And I'll go with department, salary, row. I don't know, just row number. Sure. Simple enough. And am I missing a comma somewhere? I can't use row number as a name there because that is the name of a function. So let's call it department row number. And here we go. So let's take a look again at sales. This is our ranking here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 6, 7. And this is our row number here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, so that's row number. We also have another thing that's somewhat confusing, which is dense rank. Dense rank is like rank, it returns the rank of the current row within its partition without gaps. So when we have peers that are ties, they get the same rank, but then the function will assign consecutive ranks to peer groups, meaning it won't skip any values. So this is really a minor detail. I mean, it's important, but it's not that essential that you know this, but I'll show you what that looks like. Let's do the overall salary rank here, and then rank dense rank. Dense rank over order by salary as overall salary dense rank. It's a long column name. Let's see if it all fits on our screen. I think I'm going to have to zoom out. Or maybe we can just rename this a tiny bit. Like we'll call this overall dense rank, and this is overall rank. Okay, so let's run this. Paste you in here. Yeah, I have to zoom out. Okay, here we are. Overall rank. Let's order by that. So you can see order by overall rank. That'll make it easier to verify what's happening. Okay, so we have first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, we have a tie, right? And then after seventh, they're both $70,000. After 7, we have ninth rank. And then 10, and we have a tie for 11. 11, 11, 11. We have 3 employees with $61,000 salaries. And then it jumps right to 14th after that. And if we look at dense rank instead, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, there's a tie at 7. So 2 people have that salary again, same deal. But then it resumes counting the rank at 8. So it doesn't skip any places like regular rank does. So we have rank versus dense rank. The highest dense rank in this example is 18th place versus 21st here for regular rank. And then we have row number, which right now we're using on a department basis. So it's hard to compare apples to apples. But if I also added in overall row number, we'll do row underscore number over order by salary as overall number. Let's just call that overall number, sure, or num. I'm going to have to zoom out even further. These column names are getting long. Zoom, zoom, zoom. You'll see it goes up to 21 as the overall number, all consecutive, just counting each row. Overall rank goes up to 21, but it skips some numbers whenever there's a tie. And then overall dense rank does not skip any numbers. If it has a tie, they share that rank, and then it just resumes with the next consecutive number, meaning we only have 18 as the highest instead of 21. All right, that's probably more than you ever want to know about rankings and row numbers and dense rankings. Next, we have a few more of these window functions I want to cover.